Hey crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about abbreviation SC, which stands for single crochet. A single crochet is a fairly short stitch. It is the height of one chain. So half double crochet is 2 chains, double crochet is 3 chains, treble is 4, and so on. A single crochet is 1 chain high. How do we make a single crochet? So you go into a stitch, you have that V on your hook, you go into the stitch, yarn over and draw a loop. You will have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through both loops. And that is a single crochet. So let's do that again. Through your stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over through 2. To turn and start working on the other side, you chain 1, so you need that a step up to go up onto the next row. Turn your work, and that chain doesn't count as a single crochet. You go ahead and go into that first stitch, yarn over through 2, into the stitch, yarn over, pull it up, yarn over through 2. And you just carry on till the end of the row and do the exact same thing. And this is what it looks like when it's back and forth single crochet. So in a flat swatch, not in the round. So yeah, SC, single crochet.